Welcome to modeling graphics. Today we'll be learning pixelLab and sticker size in pixels. Let's continue. Banner is measured size of pixel. Banner is measured by feet. Examples of banner size is 3 by 2 feet, 10 by 6 feet. 1 feet is 152 pixels. Size of sticker SAV. Sticker is measured in inches. Example of sticker size is 3.5 inches by 4 inches, 2.4 by 3 inches, 1 inches is 96 pixels, and this is how it looks like. Let's just go to calculator to verify this thing, to verify what I'm saying, whether it is true or not true. Go to Google, search for size of 1 feet, size of feet in pixels, and it will bring it out for you. You see that all what I'm saying is correct. Let's go to the calculator. Now 2 feet. Now I told you 1 feet in pixel is 152 pixels, so 2 feet in pixel is 1 times this 2 feet, 2304. That is 2 feet in pixel. You can search on Google and it will bring these things out. 4 feet in pixels, this is it. Now let's do. You do the same thing to inches. Okay, 2.5 times 96 pixels, that is 240. This is how to do it. This is how to do it. This is how to do it in pixels. And all these things you are getting, you import it to your image size. You import image size. You import it to your image size. You import it to your image size like this. You import the size. Okay, 150 now is 152 pixels, and 2 feet, I think 2 feet is 2308. Yeah, you see the size. You see the size. That's how you do it. Then when you want to save, you save as ultra. Ultra. You save as ultra. You can either save as JPEG or PNG. Just the one you like. Just the one you like. And then same thing to inches. That is the same way you will do it for inches. Please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click the notification bell in order to get more videos when I upload it. Click the notification bell and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.